Well, my name is Joseph. This is my project, the Choose Your Own Adventure Display. So the Choose Your Own Adventure Display was a project I chose because it was, because Choose Your Own Adventure Display was based on a text adventure game, which I loved for years. I have a very fond experience of the genre, and an experience to create that while learning vital skills was very tempting. And then another appeal to this project was that the modification process seemed like the greatest. I had the most ideas for modification for this project than out of any other projects because you can make anything. You can add anything, you can add music, more art. The possibilities were endless, which I really liked. So, for the demo, if I just plug the portal in, it starts the process. All right, here's the load up screen. Plays a little jingle, and okay, so this is the home screen of the project. This is the code I used for this was an example from the project book, but I this first milestone just kind of proves that this portal can work on how to use this portal later on. So now let's start. It uses a touchscreen mechanic. So now there's text, and then now you can decide yes or no, and then this changes the outcome of the story. So how it works is that I there's like multiple slides, like a slide deck, and each of these buttons sends you to a different slide, and then each one has like text or it displays an ending. So for example, if this says, "Do you want to build a robot?" If I say no, then we get the lazy ending, and it plays the music according to that. All right, so some challenges of this project. Some challenges of this project was that the stand and installing the website, installing the programs were easy enough. But the main problem was the debugging. There was lots of the guide for making this project was really outdated and had so many technical issues, such as like some files that they say to use that doesn't exist, or like the code being outdated, so like some commands don't work when they say that it should. So it was just a confusing process of just updating the code from this old version to new. One error that really caught me again and again that was really annoying was that it said that the files needed that I needed to put the files to a certain place, but didn't recognize when I put it actually at that place. So that was some annoying parts. Overall, the solution was pretty simple. All I needed to do was put a giant file into the code and then just brute force it. But overall, I feel like it was still a pretty learning process of learning how to debug code. So I feel like I didn't waste time on that. I feel like I learned something. So now moving forward, this is not my story. This is not my code. So I want to write an adventure on my own. So I plan to write a script using flowcharts and make art using pixel art, which I like for years, like creating pixel art. So I think this process will be much more fun. So I think I got the annoying part out of the way. Now it's time for me to um, express some creative freedom. Thank you.